In this video, we will use SPSS to generate descriptive statistics and a histogram. As you can see, I already have my data set pulled up. This is a subsample of your larger data set, so mine only has 130 records, while yours will have 801. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Analyze here at the top. A drop-down menu will appear, and your second option is Descriptive Statistics. When you hover over it, you will open your Frequencies toolbox. Inside here, we've got all of our variables in our data set, and we want to select specific variables. We want our cumulative GPA and our semester GPA. We're going to put them in our variables box by hitting this arrow here. Say by accident you grabbed an additional one, all you have to do is select it and hit the back button to move it back over onto the left-hand side. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our descriptive statistics of cumulative and semester GPA. So we're going to hit the Statistics tab here on the right-hand side, and this opens our Statistics toolbox. Under Central Tendency, we want to request mean, median, and mode. Under Characterized Posterior Distribution, we want skewness and kurtosis. And under Dispersion, we want standard deviation, variance, and range. Once you have selected those, you'll hit the Continue button. And then we want to request a histogram. So we'll go to the Charts menu, and we're going to request histogram, and we do want it to show a normal curve on our histogram. We'll hit Continue. SPSS defaults to showing the frequency tables. We do not want those, so we will uncheck this box over here on the bottom left-hand corner. At that point, you've got everything you need, and so you'll hit the OK button. Your output will generate, and here at the top we'll see our descriptive statistics. We can see that my N, or my sample size, is 130. My mean of cumulative GPA is 2.7936. When I report that, I'll only report it to 2 decimal points, so I would report 2.79. And here on semester GPA, I would report 2.71. We also have our median and our mode. Then we have our standard deviation, variance, and range is here down at the bottom. And then we have our skewness, which for cumulative GPA is negative 0.476, and our kurtosis, which is 0.066. We have all of those for both cumulative GPA and semester GPA. Then if we scroll down, we requested those histograms. So the first one will be for cumulative GPA. Here on my subsample, I can see the normal distribution is here in the black line, the black curve. And my distribution is the histogram in blue behind it. So we can see it is not exactly following the normal curve. Under semester GPA, you have a very similar looking output. We've got our normal curve. The histogram in blue is our distribution, and it's helpful over here on the side. We can see that our mean is 2.71 and our standard deviation is 1.005, or as we would report it, 1.01, with a sample of 130. In order to export your video, please watch the original SPSS how-to video that details how to open SPSS, open your data file, and export your data file.